Bass fishing is a pastime that many people enjoy. Springtime is especially wonderful for bass fishing. Bass fish are found in warm, temperate sea waters such as the Atlantic coast, as well as freshwater rivers found all across North America.
There are many types of bass fish. Black bass, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, spotted bass, Guadalupe, red-eyed true bass, brownie, and temperate bass.
To catch a bass, you can use a variety of lures such as crankbaits, spinnerbaits, topwater baits, and jigs. There are many bass fishing contests. The two most famous in the United States are Bassmasters and FLW Series.
We hope with this information you will enjoy bass fishing this spring.